let me show you guys the grand reveal. Hey guys, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today is paint day. I am trying to fix the tape that I did a very terrible job on, and then we're gonna finish taping the tops of everything, and then my grumpy's gonna come up and we're gonna paint. And let me just kind of show you around the finished product before the brown paint goes on the walls. So here we are. We sanded all of these holes and tried to make the walls as smooth as possible. Also, excuse my appearance. I know I look a little bit raggedy, but we are going to be painting, so I don't want to get anything on my nice shirts. Not that I have very many. Here's my room, guys. Take a look at it before we are done with the painting process. Oh my goodness, guys. This is our last look at my purple room. Okay guys, so as you can see behind me, there's a completely brown wall. We're almost done with this wall. As soon as this is all done, we're gonna stop and let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and reevaluate. But guys, painting is a lot of work. It's super hot in here, and my hand is tired, but thank you, Grumpy, for painting the trim and everything. You see paint on the ceilings, that was partially me and him. And then thanks, Mom, for videoing this. You're a good camera person. We just finished the first wall, and I'm gonna turn you guys around to show you. Keep in mind that this is not dry, so it's not gonna look like this because, you know, the rollers, it's gotta dry first and then we will reevaluate. But so far, I think it looks pretty good. Painting is in progress. So that is the color brown armadillo. And you guys can just see, I messed up a little bit right there, but that's okay. This is after we've let the paint dry some, and it's looking a lot better besides those two spots. Well guys, look at what I've been doing. We've been doing this whole wall area. So we are almost halfway through. Actually, we are halfway through. I just gotta finish up the paint in the pan. Let me show you guys if you can see that right over there. Yeah, I have a selfie stick on my phone. So, are you ready to see what half of my room looks like? Let me show you guys. Look, it's brown. I love the color. It's so much more elegant than this crazy purple behind me. It is looking so good. Everything is drying well. There's no drips, so that is always a plus. And I'm just gonna finish up the paint in the pan, and then we will be done for today. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Guys, it's the next day and we're gonna start painting again. We have half of it done, so just one more half to go and we will be completely finished with everything. My grumpy just got here, so we're gonna go upstairs and paint. I don't think I explained what was going on there, but my grumpy brought in this drop cloth, and it was a canvas drop cloth. He found it in his garage, and he didn't shake it out or anything, so we brought it up, and I was like, wow, there's a bunch of grass and everything on it. So I went outside, I shook it off, came back up the stairs, as you saw, and I was putting it underneath the walls, and my grumpy's like, Claire, there's stink bugs. And we looked down, and there's like 30 stink bugs on the floor. So that's what I've been doing, vacuuming all of them up. I think I got them all, but some of them have been crawling right by my bed, and we tried to get them out before they started dying, but it smells like stink bugs. We're gonna take the frog tape off and see what it reveals. The last patch of purple is now being painted. wall. We did it, Grumpy. We did it.
I'm tired.
An exhausting little bit later, we are finally done with the painting process. I can't believe it. It looks so good, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys for a little spin. Let me show you guys the grand reveal. Hey guys, it's been a few days or maybe even a week since I've kind of updated you. I wanted to fill you in on some things that have happened, things that have came in for my room. So the first thing is my room has been completely moved around. It's back in its designated spots, and I wanted to show you guys a few things, give you a little sneak peek / midway update because it's not done yet. I don't want to give too much away, but I'm going to show you a couple things that I bought, and I also have a couple more packages arriving later today. So the first thing I got is this really, really pretty soft blanket from Portugal. No, I didn't go to Portugal or anything, but I got it at Marshall's. Now you might be thinking $19.99 for a throw blanket is a little bit more on the pricier side, but guys, it is such good quality. I wish you could feel it. And this is just kind of what the overview looks like. I think it really spices up my bed. The next thing I got were these two pillows. My mom actually got them on Amazon, and I think these really help out with some color, bring a bit more texture. I put up an earring organizer with command strips and then also a necklace organizer. Fun fact, that thing over there actually fell last night, and it had all my necklaces on it, and they are now all tangled up in each other. It's a giant mess. I haven't even tried to untangle them, but let me show you the damage. As you guys can see, I have a pillow and blanket down there. I wanted to leave it up for a full day just in case it decided to fall over again. Look at that, you guys. The trim is all marked up. That spot right over there is from it falling, and so is that. And now they are even more damaged. Everything I've gotten pretty much is from Amazon or Marshall's, anything like that. If I haven't mentioned this already, I'm definitely gonna be leaving all the links down below for you guys to shop. So if you wanna support a college student, it would be greatly appreciated. All you have to do is click on a link. Even if you're not interested in buying a certain thing that I have linked, just click on one of the links and I will get a small portion of that sale, and it'll help me, you know, make more videos because I am a little bit on the broker side now that I've redone my room. My package has just arrived. Let me show you how big it is, and we're gonna see what's inside it. I think I already know what's in it, but we're just gonna open it up. Okay, and just kind of see. Oh, I see what it is. Ta-da, you guys! My white blackout curtains, kind of an oxymoron, but these are blackout, 100% blackout, which is awesome. Gonna open that up, and then we've also got, a white rug. Ooh, these are nice. These feel really, really good. Little update, my mom is putting up the picture of the pica that I showed you earlier. Maybe I didn't show you, I'm not sure if I did. So let me just give you a quick glimpse. That's what it looks like. She's banging some holes on the wall and I'm just casually observing and helping out when necessary. So I'm gonna get back to helping her now. It came, you guys. You might be wondering what this giant box is, and it is a custom monogram. I figured I needed something to put above my bed, so I ordered this giant 24 by 24 monogram. We're gonna open it together and just see what it looks like. And I'm casually cutting this with baby scissors, so this could take a little bit. Okay, you guys, are you ready to open it up with me? I finally got all the tape off, so let's just see what it looks like together. Okay, we're gonna open. Oh, it's just a box, just kidding. No, I think it's in here. Wow, look at that. It's currently upside down, but oh my goodness, you guys, look how beautiful. I don't think this does it justice how big this thing is. Look at that. That is insane. It's gonna go right above my bed. I'm not sure if I am gonna paint it. I kind of like just the wood look, but I'm gonna put it up and see how it looks and just kind of go from there. But wow, it's gonna make a great addition to make my wall look even better because it's just bare right now. It needs a little love, and this should get it through it. This was kind of expensive, not gonna lie. It was $40 in case you're wondering. Guys, this is currently what it's looking like. We did not have enough spray paint, so we're gonna have to go get some. Update, you guys, we are finally putting the last touch on my room. After this, we're gonna be completely done, and that is my custom monogram. It's been spray painted with love by my mom, and now she's gonna help me hang it up. Ta-da, you guys, we decided to put 2 more frames up. So these are the prints I purchased from Level Design Co. We did it! My mom, I want to say thank you to her for really helping me out. She hung up pretty much everything, so thank you, Mom. Now what's left is to just clean up, get this room looking presentable, and then I will show you the grand reveal. Now I'm only going to show you guys half the room because I'm going to be doing a room tour really soon, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see my full room transformation. Hey guys, today is the day. Are you guys ready to finally see my transformed room painted and decorated and everything? So let me turn you around and show you my new room. Now that you guys have seen the before and after, I'm gonna go ahead and end it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days for the grand tour of everything in detail. The links are down below for you guys to shop if you'd like to shop anything, and I'll see you guys later. You are loved.